Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Honeywell HH490 corded area imaging scanner and you need to do a hard reset on the scanner to its factory default settings. This product works a little bit differently in that in order to do a hard reset on it, we can actually use the scanner itself to do the reset. All we need to do, and I'll zoom in here. If we scan this barcode here with the scanner, it will automatically trigger the reset. So I'll go ahead and leave this up here. You can go ahead and hit pause on the video and scan this barcode with your scanner, and that will trigger a reset. Now you might need to, if it doesn't scan right away, you might need to tilt it or whatever in order to make sure we're getting a good read on the bars. But anyways, so I hope this video helps you get the thing reset to default settings. Have a great day.